Hey Milliger fans, happy 2024. We're so excited. We're working on all the brand new events that are going to be coming up here at Milliger's, and the design workshops have been so popular. So we're doing this brand new Valentine's Wreath. This is going to be on Saturday, January 20th, 10:30 in the morning. It's only $39.99, and you get to make this incredible Valentine's Wreath. This can be hung absolutely anywhere in the home, inside or on your front door, but you get to design and find all the fun ornaments to put in there. We have an amazing design team that will help and guide you to create this masterpiece, and we will have mimosas to get those creative juices flowing. It's going to be so much fun. We are so happy with this wreath. There's little, ribbons in here, different color ornaments. Perfect for Valentine's Day, and something I think just absolutely really fun to do to celebrate Valentine's Day. So bring your friends. This is a great group project to do together. We have so much fun at these design workshops. Stay tuned, check out our website because we have so many fun workshops coming for this year. But this is the first design workshop of 2024. So don't miss it. Bring your friends, enjoy those mimosas and our amazing design team. We'll see you soon.